Okay guys, the pottery clay carving tools are just not going to work with these stamp carving blocks, these rubber stamp carving blocks that Nbeads sent me. So I'm going to use my own tool. It's not the best. I've had it a long time and it's not very sharp, and I haven't had a chance to get it sharpened. Maybe I'll try to figure that out myself eventually, but today we're going to try to do a stamp. And I was going to do a pentacle, but then I thought maybe I ought to try something simpler by just doing the pentagram or a little box. What you do is you just use regular pencils and you draw out what you want. You can do anything you want. Okay, then what we're going to do is you're going to take the drawing that you did, and you're going to put it on the block where you want it, and then you're going to take something sturdy. I'm going to try to keep my hands out of the way, but I can't promise much. You just do this over it, and I'm sorry if the camera shakes. Just do this on the back. Pretty hard, but try not to move your picture until you can get all of it on there. Kind of lift it up on the sides while you're holding it to make sure it's all on there. There you go. You got your picture on your rubber stamp block. Now, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm not feeling too well, but I'm going to try to do this video, and maybe I'll play a little music while I'm trying to carve it. And what I've figured out is there's a couple of ways to do the carving. You either carve directly out the black part, or you carve the white. Today I'm going to do just the black part. So let's get started. So at this point, we're going to just try to clean it up a little bit, get all the crumbs off of it. And then we're going to try to stamp it and see if we need to trim any more. Like I said, this is the first time I've tried this, so we'll see what happens. Here we go. Pretty good. I mean, you know, we could trim it up a little bit, but that's that one. Let's see what the little fox looks like. There we go. So guys, that is my little tutorial on my first time trying the rubber stamp carving blocks from Nbeads.com. Hope you can see them good. That's what it looks like when you do that part. Just by doing the lines. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Go check out Nbeads.com. Read everything in the description box about all the products that you've seen today that came from Nbeads.com. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe out there. Blessed be y'all. Bye. Okay, so I'm going to ink up my ugly little bird, the first one I've tried, with the blocks that I got from Nbeads. And I know it needs help, but we're going to try it out anyway. Not too bad. It needs a little work, but it's better than I thought it was going to be.